This is Tim here from Your Six Tech. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to sync your contacts from your Android phone to your other Android phone. So if you're using the same Google account, this becomes really easy. All you have to do is go to the top right and go to settings and scroll on down. And we want to go to the option for accounts and backups. So we can tap this right here, and then we can go to manage accounts and go to your Google account under here. So you can see I have Your Six Studios on here. And I want to go to this and go to sync account right here. And make sure you have your contacts turned on right here and they're synced. So this should allow you to back up your contacts. So go to the top right now on your old phone and go to sync now. And you can see this is syncing now to my email account on there. Now when I go to my new account and I sign in with my Google account, I can come back to the same section and I can just make sure contacts is turned on, and I can go to sync now, and it should back up my contacts for me to that new device I'm in. So just make sure you first sync it so it's on your account, and then you can just add your account under here too if it's not added, and that should add your contacts to your phone. So you can look at this further too. If it's not working for whatever reason, just go to the phone option right here, then you go to your contacts. So you can see my contacts here. And you might have to switch over your contacts. So you can see view by storage location. So I have all contacts turned on. So I have 0 contacts saved to my Samsung account. And then you can just choose your Google account on here. Otherwise go to contact settings. And then you can import contacts, export contacts under here, move contacts to other storage locations too. So if I want to import them, I can go to import right here and allow. So let's allow this. So they're on my phone. I can import them to a different location as well. So you can just look at these different options, and hopefully this video did indeed help you out.